Gardening is both an art and a science, a journey that connects us to the rhythms of nature while rewarding us with beauty, nourishment, and an ever-evolving sense of satisfaction. Whether you're tending a single windowsill or managing a sprawling backyard plot, there are hidden tricks and clever techniques that can transform your results. Today, we're revealing 10 of the most powerful gardening secrets that every plant lover should know. Whether you're an aspiring green thumb or a seasoned horticulturist aiming to level up your harvests. Let's begin with secret number 1, the power of healthy soil. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of every successful garden. It's easy to focus on the plants themselves, but your efforts will always be limited if the soil beneath them is tired or depleted. The richest soils teem with life. Earthworms, microbes, and tiny insects all play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and making nutrients available to your plants. Build your soil by adding compost, aged manure, or other organic material every season. Avoid harsh chemicals that can disrupt the soil food web, and try to disturb the soil as little as possible. The healthier your soil, the healthier your plants will be. Secret number 2, timing is everything. Planting at the right moment gives your seeds and seedlings the best chance at thriving. Study your local climate and pay attention to your area's frost dates. Some plants, like peas and lettuce, thrive in cool weather, while others, like tomatoes and peppers, crave the heat. Starting seeds indoors and transplanting them after the danger of frost has passed can help you extend your growing season and achieve earlier harvests. Always check the seed packet or plant label for specific guidance, and don't be afraid to experiment to find the optimal schedule for your region. Secret number 3, water wisely, not excessively. Overwatering is one of the most common gardening mistakes. While plants undoubtedly need water, the key is to ensure moisture penetrates deeply into the soil without leaving roots soggy. Soak your garden thoroughly less frequently rather than giving it shallow sips every day. Early morning is the ideal time to water, reducing evaporation and allowing leaves time to dry before nightfall, an important step in preventing fungal diseases. Mulch can also help retain soil moisture, saving you both water and effort. Secret number 4, companion planting, nature's teamwork. Plants can help each other thrive when placed together correctly. This is the principle behind companion planting. Basil next to tomatoes can enhance the flavor and deter pests, while marigolds scattered throughout your beds repel harmful insects with their pungent aroma. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil, aiding heavy feeders like corn. By grouping compatible plants, you can encourage healthier growth, boost pollination, and keep common enemies at bay, all without chemicals. Secret number 5, feed for success. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to prosper. Beyond traditional fertilizers, consider slow-release organic amendments like worm castings or compost tea. These provide a steady nutrient supply and encourage beneficial microbes. Take time to observe your plants. Pale leaves, slow growth, or poor fruiting signal that your plants may need a nutritional boost. Tailoring your feeding schedule to each plant variety ensures every bed of your garden gets what it needs when it needs it. Secret number 6, prune with purpose. Pruning isn't just about shaping your plants. It's about directing energy. Regularly removing dead, diseased, or crowded branches encourages more vigorous growth and better air circulation, both of which help prevent disease. For fruiting plants like tomatoes or berry bushes, reliable pruning can mean higher fruit yields and tastier produce. Research the specific pruning needs for each plant in your garden, and never be afraid to make strategic cuts. Secret number 7, invite pollinators and beneficial insects. A flourishing garden isn't just about vegetables and flowers. It's also about bees, butterflies, ladybugs, and other helpers. Plant nectar-rich flowers alongside your crops to attract pollinators, ensuring your fruits and veggies set successfully. You can also install small insect hotels or leave a log in a quiet corner to shelter helpful insects like lacewings and ground beetles. They'll thank you by feasting on pests and pollinating your crops, naturally boosting productivity. Secret number 8, practice crop rotation. Rotating what you plant in each bed every season helps prevent disease and interrupts the life cycle of many common pests. For example, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants are all in the nightshade family. Planting them in different locations each year will keep soil-borne diseases from gaining a foothold. Crop rotation also helps manage nutrients, ensuring your soil isn't depleted by the same plant family year after year. Secret number 9, embrace mulching. Mulch is the gardener's secret weapon. It locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, keeps soil temperatures stable, and slowly feeds your plants as it breaks down. Straw, wood chips, shredded leaves, or even grass clippings can all make excellent mulch, depending on your location and available materials. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer around your plants, but make sure to keep mulch pulled back from the base of stems to prevent rot. You'll spend less time weeding and watering, and your garden will look tidier too. And finally, secret number 10, never stop learning. Gardening is a lifelong journey, and each season brings new joys, challenges, and lessons. Keep a simple garden journal to track what you plant, when you plant it, what works well, and what doesn't. Connect with local growers and gardening groups for advice and camaraderie. The more you experiment, observe, and adapt to your unique garden microclimate, the more abundant your rewards will be. Remember, every great garden didn't start that way. It was cultivated, patiently and lovingly, over time. Even the smallest efforts add up, and nature inevitably meets you halfway. Whether you're growing aromatic herbs on your kitchen window, nurturing vegetables for your family's table, or simply filling your home with beautiful blooms, these 10 gardening secrets can help you unleash the full potential of your green space. So dig in, dream big, and let your garden become a thriving, ever-changing story of growth, discovery, and delight. Happy gardening.